Hello everyone, just give me a minute while we sort out a couple of technical things and I get my guest in with me. But this is for my Oscar Outdoors YouTube channel giveaway. So I'm just waiting for my friend and colleague to join in and then we'll get going. Hello Jonathan. Okay, so I just had a text from Chris telling me that he's sent his request and he's just waiting to be joined in. So thank you all for your patience. Sorry, it's the first time I've done anything like this if you can't tell. Still not received a notification yet as yet, Chris. Oh, hi Auntie Lynn. Aha, there's Chris.
Hello, Scott.
Hello. How are we?
Very well, thank you. Lovely to see you. Thanks so much for inviting me here.
No, not a problem at all. Thank you for agreeing to do it.
Well, thank you so much for all of the support. It's been absolutely amazing to see the community coming together.
Oh, thank you so much. So if you're not aware of what Chris is talking about, I run a YouTube channel called Oscar Outdoors. Now I can see a few people that do follow me on YouTube watching now, so thank you very much. But I'd run a giveaway, and in that giveaway I've asked people to donate to Martin House in memory of Oscar. And to keep in compliance with GDPR, I've invited Chris to come along and sort of assist me with this draw. I'm not quite aware of the amount of money that we've raised, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you the prizes that I had up for grabs, and then I'll invite Chris to have a little chat while I compose myself, and then we'll get on with the draw. Sound okay, Chris?
Sounds good.
Okay, so the prizes that I had up for grabs, first of all, this is a metal detector from Suffla. £120, £112 I paid for that for the prize. And then this is a torch from Brinyte. Again, I think that was listed at about $120. And then one of my infamous cook set pouches. It's not going to be this one, I've actually bought a new one. I've just brought this one out for the purpose of showing you on this video. And then a few of the bottles that I put the spices in, and then the label as well. And then last but not least, the Oscar Outdoors patch. So that's everything that went up for grabs, and that totaled £150 sort of out of my pocket, or what I've generated to give to you people for supporting the channel and obviously supporting Martin House. Now, with it being a charity, I couldn't ask you for set figures or anything. It was a voluntary donation, so thank you all so much. It really does mean the world to me, and obviously in memory of Oscar as well. It's been phenomenal. It's the most amount of money I've raised for charity, so thank you all so much. So while I compose myself now, I'll hand you over to Chris, if that's all right.
Sure. Well, thank you, Scott. It's been, as I said, amazing to see the community of Oscar Outdoors coming together and supporting you and supporting the channel. Just to say a few words about Martin House. Well, Martin House is a children's hospice, so we care for children, babies, children and young people with life-limiting conditions and their families all across the whole of West, North and East Yorkshire. The hospice itself is based in Boston Spa, just near Wetherby, and we have 15 bedrooms there, where we have a care team of over 100 people with doctors, nurses, clinical nurse specialists, psychologists, therapists, you name it, they are there in order to respond to the needs of the children. We also offer community care out and about in families' homes and in hospitals, supporting the families emotionally, practically, but also offering that very specialist level medical care to children in their own homes, which means that when children's health sometimes deteriorates, then they don't necessarily need to go into hospital or call up their GP, they can just give us a call and we will be able to send someone out to go and see them in their own home and invite them to come back to Martin House, where they can stay for as long as they need and receive that really specialist level palliative care that is so vital. Alongside that, so much of what we do is respite. So when families come to stay with us at Martin House, we give them the opportunities to spend precious, precious moments together, building up family time, special moments where they can build special memories, whether that's doing fun art and crafts with our crazy art therapists, or music sessions with our music therapists, or whether that's just playing in the playroom, or perhaps recording something in the recording studio. Young people love to play in our gaming den up until about 4 o'clock in the morning, and they just love it there. So much of what Martin House does is about giving those special memories. It's about creating special family time. And the donations that you have raised through this giveaway, and even the people that haven't been a part of this giveaway but have just generously donated, have added up to £1,565. That is a huge amount of money, and we are so grateful to every single person that's donated. Just to give you a little idea of what a difference that will make, £1,450 of that is enough to pay for a trip to Whitby for for a group of young people to go out into Whitby, to go on a specially adapted boat, where it's a multi-sensory experience, where they can really feel the spray on their face, feel the fresh air, and experience the thrill of going out on a boat. This is an absolutely amazing experience for our children, many of whom don't have the sensory experiences that many others do. So to give them that freedom and that sense of being on a boat is an absolute once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Alongside that, an extra £100 that you've raised can enable one of our community nurses to go out into a family's home and offer practical and emotional support where the family needs it and whenever they need it. So what you've done is absolutely amazing, and we are so grateful to every single one of you. Thank you so, so much. Should we get on with the draw?
I think so, yeah. Thank you, Chris. It's amazing to hear that we've managed to raise so much money, and obviously to hear what it's going to go towards as well is quite awe-inspiring. So thank you very much for that. So after a little chat that we had earlier on, we agreed with 48 entries. Is that right?
I think so. Let me just check. Yep, 48 entries.
Yep. So I've got on my other phone a random number generator. Look, if you can read the screen, it's back to front, so I do apologise. Now I've dropped it. Start again, stop. So yeah, back to front, and then between number 1 here and 48 here. So I'm just going to hit generate, and then when it picks a number, obviously, Chris, you've got a list, I'm assuming, somewhere to hand.
I have.
And we've there, so we'll hit generate now. Number 16 is that? It's back to front.
Number 16. So that is Michelle from Doncaster.
Oh, well done, Michelle from Doncaster. So if you want to get in touch, I'll leave my email address in the bottom of this video, because I'll put it on Facebook Live, and I'll edit it to YouTube as well. So Michelle from Doncaster, thank you so much for your donation and for taking part in the live, taking part in the draw and everything else. And I'm so grateful. I'm sure Chris is as well. So thanks everyone for joining us on this. That's the end of the video. So I'll catch you all later. Thanks very much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thanks again, Chris.
Thanks. Bye-bye.